The Laurel County Fire Department was also busy this morning battling a fire on Waterworks Road. According to a Facebook post, crews were dispatched just after 5 this morning. Upon arrival, they found heavy fire throughout the home. Multiple agencies assisted in battling the fire. 19,000 gallons of water was used to put it out. No injuries were reported, and the scene was cleared just before 8 a.m. The London Police Department has confiscated numerous stolen guns and contraband from a home in the city. Officers say they arrested 40-year-old Jared Cupp in connection to this firearm seizure. Cupp is facing multiple charges, including